Hey everyone, when you need to add decimals to existing numbers in Excel, there are actually a few different ways to do it depending on what you're trying to achieve. I'll walk you through the main methods in order. The first method is to format cells to display decimal places. This changes how the numbers look without actually changing the values themselves. Select your column or cells, then right-click and choose Format Cells. In the dialog box that opens, make sure you're on the Number tab with Number selected on the left. You'll see a field labeled Decimal Places. Enter how many decimal places you want to display, or use the arrows to adjust it. Click OK to apply. Once you've done that, all your numbers will show the specified number of digits after the decimal point. Even whole numbers will display a decimal point and zeros after it. Quick shortcut, you can also press Ctrl+1 to open the Format Cells dialog directly. If that feels like too many clicks, the next method is even quicker. Select your column or cells, then go to the Home tab and look in the number group in the middle of the ribbon. You'll see two buttons, Increase Decimal and Decrease Decimal. The Increase Decimal button has an icon that looks like .0 becoming .00. Click it once to add one decimal place, and keep clicking to add more. Each click adds one decimal place visually. You can also use the keyboard shortcut Alt+H+0 to increase decimals. Now, those first two methods only change the display. They don't actually change the number values. If you need to mathematically transform your numbers, like converting 100 to 1.00, here's how to do that. First, type 100 into any empty cell somewhere in your worksheet and copy that cell. Then select your dataset that needs decimal places. Right-click and choose Paste Special. Then in the dialog box that opens, select the Divide Radio button and click OK. Your dataset now has decimal places, and the actual values are transformed. For 2 decimal places, use 100. For 1 decimal place, use 10. For 3 decimal places, use 1000. There's one more method. If you're entering new data and want decimals inserted automatically as you type, go to File, then Options. In the Excel Options window, choose Advanced on the left. Scroll down and check the box for Automatically Insert a Decimal Point, then set how many decimal places you want in the Places box. Click OK. After this is enabled, whenever you enter a number, it'll automatically insert a decimal point. So if you type 1, it becomes 0.01. Just remember, this only affects new numbers you enter, not existing data. Methods 1 and 2 are visual changes only. The underlying values stay the same. Method 3 actually transforms the numbers mathematically. Pick the one that fits what you need. And there we go. Thanks for watching. Hope this was helpful.